Now this is a unique build, brand new. It's basically two builds in one. It starts off with Marshalls, and inside the build, which has been edited just for YouTube, right? You got a button called Skin Switcher, and that will change the skin into the other build, and then plus you can use the Skin Switcher again to change back to the other build. All right, that makes sense.